Okay, you're probably wondering where I've been. I don't think you've heard from me in a while. Let's just say I was getting ready for this video. This video took 1 year to make. And it was a lot of hard work, but I think it's worth it. Today, I'm reacting to ship horns. Now, let's turn this bad boy up. I want to get loud in here. Let's listen. Mighty ship horns. Ooh. These better be mighty. If they're not mighty, this one. The chambers are darker. Man, those sequels aren't going to see this one coming. Any day. I can feel that one. I like that one. That's like a 7 out of 10. And the video keeps going. That's the you know what? I was going to get so but I will say I appreciate that echo afterward. It's like, oh, we have an icebreaker here. Gotta do the ice. These always pisses me off. It sounds like some QAnon conspiracy. And also, there's no reason to be happy. There's nothing there. The ice is in it. Not gonna work. Frankly disgusting. 3. This is like a big sound. The sequel's not up there, love it. It's not particularly very I can really feel it. But I'd give that a 6. That's really, it's nothing special. It's getting the job done. It's not loud enough to like hurt. Number 4, another icebreaker. We're disappointed by the first one. Let's see if we got a nicer one. By Dope. Is this the same boat? The seaboat. If this is the CSI Arsenal boat, that says CSI. CSL. Okay. I did not expect the beat switch. That was actually impressive. I'll admit it. I was kind of judgmental when I saw another Astronaut, but from what I heard there, that's a solid 8. That is an 8. That might be hot take because the first one is not very similar, but just the ability to look like awesome. Reach out into the second one with that more like height out without the weight. Like an alto on that sun there. That's really bringing this whole thing together. I do want sun. That's some rock and water. Who knows? This boat does not look real. This is boat real. It looks like the Cabo is dragging along the boat. Okay, you know, now that is just very shaped. I'm sorry, Paul. I'd go with it's a tough one, but the first boat was a great way to start it off. I think the creator of the video knew that. That's why they put it first. Everybody saw that one being a heavy hitter, but I think I'm going to have to go with that. Second icebreaker, probably coming in second. The versatility was great, but other than that, it was just all right. And you know what? Actually, scratch that. That one's going third because second place belongs to the third ship we listened to. That horn, great tone, a lot better. It might just be compared to the icebreaker that came right before it, making it sound better, but really the tonality of it really just brought it all together. And I think that final boat is a solid fourth because the way that they phrased each bar of the horn playing, like usually you want a solid whole note just carrying through the whole measure, right? They kind of broke it up, and it might just be my old-fashioned values here. I'm not a fan of that, really. And if I had to say it, obviously, dead last, the first icebreaker, that was miserable. The CSI ass in a bone, disappointment. And I saw Canada on the side there. Didn't even surprise me. I didn't expect anything more out of them. Well, anyway, I've been gone for a year working on this. I really hope it's a good one. I'm a big fan of this, looking to pursue reacting to maybe car horns or something even more grand like hot air balloons. It could really go anywhere, this series. I didn't even get to show off the third scene I made. This one, see? See how cool this one looks? I didn't even get to use that one. I guess we'll need to see that in the future. But who knows what the future holds. I mean, we already had a great episode today, just to start it out. That's something you don't see often. That's really, I think I could set this up to be a perfect trilogy. Where Star Wars failed, where Lord of the Rings failed, I think reacting to loud noises could succeed. I really don't have anything more to say. Subscribe if you like loud noises and you're like that, really. If you get it, you get it. It's kind of like that. Well, guess I'm signing off. I'll be back in 7 years with the next installment to this franchise.